In this video, I'll show you how to play with 2 accounts on Roblox at the same time. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. We really do appreciate it. And make sure you watch this video right until the end for the full steps, and let's go and get right into this. Before we go and get into this guide, I want to quickly explain how it's going to go and work. So normally when I want to go and play a game on Roblox, I come to roblox.com and launch the game from that way, but I also know people go and open up the Roblox app from the Microsoft store, which I'll show you how to go and get in a moment, and then go and play Roblox from that. So what I'm going to go and do is I'm going to do both of these. I'm going to go and run Roblox from roblox.com and using the Roblox app. So essentially, if you go and use the Roblox app, then you need to come to roblox.com, and if you currently use roblox.com, you need to go and get the app. So I'm going to go and show you how to go and get the Roblox app, and then I'll show you how to run them both at the same time. So for now, go and minimize Roblox in your browser if that's how you currently play, and you need to go and open up the Microsoft Store. So all you need to do is go and click on the magnifying glass in your toolbar on your computer. And then all you need to do is go and search for Microsoft Store, just like so. Here it is, and go and click on it, and then it's going to go and open. So I'm going to go and zoom in on this, and then all you need to do is go and search for Roblox, just like so, and go and search for it. And then once it loads, it's going to go and find it, and here it is. So go and tap on it just like this, and then all you need to do is scroll down and go and press on get. And also, to go and download games from Roblox is going to require you to have a Microsoft account. So all you need to do is go and click up here and go and click sign in. Currently, I'm already signed in. If you haven't got a Microsoft account, it's really easy to go and create one. So once you've gone and signed in, go and press get, just like so. And then it's going to go and start downloading. As you can see, it says downloading, and in a moment, it's going to go and tell you the progress. As you can see, it's currently downloading now. It's about 140 megabytes, so all you need to do is sit back and wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's going to go and change to play. So all you want to do is go and tap on play, just like so. And as you can see, Roblox is now launching. And what you need to do is go and log in and sign up. Now, what's really important is that you go and sign into a different Roblox account to what you're currently signed in on the other one. So in this case, I'm signed into my Tuck tutorial account on the Roblox web browser version. Therefore, I need to go and sign into a different account on here. So I'm going to go and click login, and then I'm going to go and type my login in. And here we are on the Roblox app. And as you can see, I'm signed into my alt account here, which is called GuideRealm Videos. So now all we need to do is go and launch a game on here, and then we'll go and launch a game in the Roblox web version. So let's go and open up speedrun. So I'm going to tap here, click on play. As you can see, it's now loading. And then what you want to do is go and drag this across here, just like so. I'll make it a bit smaller so we can fit both on the screen. And then I'm going to go and open up Roblox on the web. And then I'm going to go and open up speedrun on here as well. So click on it, and then you need to go and click on the play button here. And then Roblox is going to go and launch using the Roblox launcher from the web. And here we are, guys, and actually by complete coincidence, we've gone and joined the same server. As you can see moving around on the other screen, which is really cool. Leave a like if you found this video useful. Peace.